In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Wayfair buyer and seller overview for 2025. Wayfair is a popular online destination for home goods, offering a vast marketplace for both buyers and sellers. Whether you're looking to furnish your new apartment or expand your business, Wayfair is a great platform to consider. We're going to walk you through everything you need to know, starting with how to get set up as a seller. First, as a seller, the journey begins on Wayfair's partner page. This is your go-to spot for all necessary resources and information about becoming part of Wayfair's supply chain. Once you're there, look out for the Apply Here button. Clicking this will start your application process to become a seller on Wayfair. Now, filling out the application form is crucial. The form will ask for specific details about your business, so having this information ready will save you time. Start by entering your contact information. This includes the primary contact's name and role within your company. It's essential to ensure these details are accurate, as Wayfair will use them for future communications. Once you're done with the contact info, it's time to provide your business information. Here, you'll need to enter your company name, business email, phone number, and address. Providing detailed and correct information here will not only ease the application process, but will also ensure you're setting the right foundation for your selling profile on Wayfair. Next up is logistics information. Wayfair will want to know about your shipping capabilities and logistics setup, which plays an important role in determining your suitability to trade on their platform. Make sure to provide comprehensive details, including your shipping methods and capacities. Once all the sections are filled out, go ahead and hit the Apply button. After approval, the door opens to adding your products to Wayfair's expansive marketplace. This is where your creativity and business strategy come into play. So think about how best to present your products to potential buyers. Switching over to the buyer perspective, the process is equally straightforward. Start by heading over to Wayfair's main website. If you're new, you'll have to create an account. For returning users, logging in will suffice. An important part of the buying experience is exploring deals and promo codes. Wayfair frequently offers discounts that could save you a good chunk on your orders, so don't forget to check these out before you finalize your purchase. Once you find that perfect item, place your order. The site offers a seamless shopping cart experience, guiding you through the steps to confirm your purchase effortlessly. And finally, you'll appreciate Wayfair's order tracking and management tools after your purchase. You can easily keep tabs on your delivery, manage returns if necessary, and ensure your items arrive as expected. And that wraps up our Wayfair buyer and seller overview. Remember, both as a seller and a buyer, preparation and attention to detail are key to a smooth and rewarding experience with Wayfair. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide sets you up for success.